What nobody tells you about whiteboard paint might just change how you write, brainstorm, and plan forever. First, whiteboard paint isn't just for white walls. Use the clear version over any color you love. Sky blue, chalkboard green, pastel pink, you name it. Creativity unlocked. Got a scratched or ghosted board? Don't toss it, restore it. A single coat of premium whiteboard paint brings old boards back to life, saving money and keeping waste out of landfills. Next, your roller technique matters. Use a 1/4-inch microfiber roller and delint it before you begin. Apply evenly, no drips, no re-rolling. The result? A flawless, writable surface that lasts. Writing on a wall-sized surface actually boosts creativity. Why? Moving while brainstorming helps your brain think bigger and better. It's science, and it works. Still seeing ghosting? It's not your marker, it's the surface. Low-grade boards are porous. ReMARKable Whiteboard Paint creates a slick, non-porous layer that resists ghosting for clean, bold lines. Finally, a whiteboard wall can boost productivity. It energizes your space, inspires ideas, and transforms how you work, teach, and create. Ready to transform your workspace? Call us at 800-936-2159 to speak with a friendly coding specialist, or visit us at ReMARKableCoding.com. ReMARKable Whiteboard Paint, because your ideas deserve a better surface.